Here's the hub. There's numbers, C2. There's supposed to be like a 1 somewhere around there. But here's the indicator. Clean that up. See that? Has to line up to that. Or white. Here's the white piece. See? Empty. There's the indicator right underneath. So I'm assuming you have to be right there. That's how you know you're good. Alright, so for my Evo 10 people, or you know, whoever's doing their quick release, here you go, line it up just like that. I put some electrical tape to hold it before I put on my hub, and that should get rid of the light, because I know when they said to line this up, it's not. Here's the indicator right there. Make sure it's in this little viewer. Should be like that. Then the ASC and whatever should be off after you drive it. Alright guys, my wife, she took a drive. You can see it, well, it's 2.7 miles. But she took a drive. Everything's on. Quick release just in case you guys didn't believe me. And let me turn it on for you guys. See? Service light's normal when it's not fully on. Routine maintenance, but no more ASC light, no 4-wheel drive light, and no SRS. That's it. Quick release, everything good.